Hi, I'm NASCAR Champion Kurt Busch, and I wanted to invite you into my personal race shop, Kurt Busch Incorporated, and show you the upgrades I've made here with Swisstrax. Swisstrax helped me dial in the flooring to create a better look for my show area, for my nice championship car. But I wanted to upgrade it to a more personal feel and also a vibe that creates that formality. But let me take you guys to the house. I'll show you there as well. Let's go. You know, it's been great too to have Swisstrax come to the house and help me at the house dial it all in. I didn't want to go too much though. And so with the vinyl choice, it really matches the car as well. That was what I was going for. Have Ashley and myself with our daily drivers, just something simple, something clean, and it just changed the whole complexion of the garage. It's been fun to show you all around, but this is the garage I was most excited about. Swisstrax helped me display my Ford GTs. But the way that Swisstrax helped me assemble everything as well as the design process on the computer, I chose Swisstrax, so should you.